Hello? Go-grocery again. Spring na guys. Ang dami nilang plants. And flowers. Ano to? Lagi ako nakakakita ng ganito. No, it's heavy.
She can play.
No, it's so heavy. It's too heavy, isn't it? Too heavy. I still have some banana there. Kuha tayo ng garlic. Okay.
£3.
We can get it at Aldi, you know. We're going to Aldi. That's the advertisement. It's much to Aldi. You okay there? Tingin tayo chocolate dito, guys. We have chocolates. Chocolate? Anyway. Kanilang vase and flowers. Masang mahal, 8 pound, 10 pound. So cute. 4 pound. Fake. Nakatulog na guys ang ating baby. What is it? Nice? Yeah?
£6.50. We want some toothpaste.
Yeah, is she asleep?
Sleep.
I'm going. Kukuha tayo guys ng toothpaste and cotton pads para sa ating tenga kasi nagpabutas nga ang bebe nakaraan. Kumatandaan kung ano yung toothpaste na ginagamit namin ni Mr. Toothpaste. Yeah, 15 pieces. They're so small. So what do we got? This one, 3 lily bulbs Rubina, and this one.
Yeah.
So it's quite expensive. They're nice. 2 pound each.
Yeah. So £6. Do you want me
Oh,
to
this
go
is
pay?
dahlia. You gonna pay? Okay.
What do you want to pay?
Ayan, marami dito. 3 pound. Any 3 for 2. What's that mean? Ayan siya. And then here. Ito ay fruits. Ito pa. 3 pound. So, intay-intayin lang natin si Mr. dahil siya ay nagbabayad ng flowers. Bulbs pala. So, ayan. Mahilig si Mr. sa mga flowering plants. Ako naman, mas gusto ko ang vegetables. Pero maganda rin kasi ang may flowers sa garden. Masaya sa paningin. Get some orange. Pakain na ng lettuce. Look nice.
What you're supposed to use. 3 more creme fraiche.
What's that? I want that.
You want Elmia?
No, that is for pasta. I think this is the one you used to use. You used to use? Yeah?
Wall somewhere.
Top of the we don't need it. So have so many clock in the
It's just it was great. And it's got temperature, look.
I don't believe on that. Temperature. Hello. Ang mura na ng box nila, guys. 20.90 na lang. Nakaraan ay 3 pound to. Kuha tayo ng box. Push and play. Ang cute. So, 3 box. 29 penny lang ang isa. Ang dami nilang sale, oh. Sale na yung mga nakaraang mamahal. Oh, so usong-uso ang ganito dito. 5 pound. Ay! Tingnan nyo guys, ang mura ng flour nila. 79p lang is 1.5 kilo na. We're finished guys. So excited nang umuwi ang blanket. Dahil magtatanim tayo ng flowers. Ganda na siya pagdating ng summer. Tumubo ng maayos. We're home. And ang kalat ng ating bahay. Ito yung aking in-order na apron sa Shopee. Sa Amazon. Kasi pag ako'y nagluluto guys, lalo ng corn soup, nagtatalsikan sa akin ng mga juice. So, bumili tayo ng apron. Hindi ko palang nagagamit. Lagay na daw natin guys ang ating pizza sa freezer. Sabi ni Mister. Nalusaw na nga.
We've got some lime.
Are we gonna plant these flowers today? Ang liliit pala nito. Ito yung ating isa. 3 klase lang pala guys ang ating biniling flowers.
What are you saying?
Are we gonna plant this today?
We're going to have some lunch first.
I'm so hungry na. I got headache again, Sme. Ganda ng mga flowers, oh. Yan, first, ito yung isa. Ang cute niya. Para siyang rose. But they're not a rose. Iisa lang, 2 pound. Yan, then ito, tsaka, ano pa tong isa? Ito. Katulad ito nung binili kong flower last time. But ito ay pink. Lily bulbs. So, ganito siya, guys. So, yan. Excited tayong magtanim. Kaso ako uuwi ng Philippines. Baka hindi ko ito makitang mag-bloom. Sa bagay, baka pagdating ko. Ganda na to pagbalik dito sa UK. Yung guys, si Mr. nagre-ready na para sa pagpa-plant natin ng flowers. Oh, hindi na makaantay. Sabi ko, antayin ako. Lalagay niya na ata yung, inaayos niya na yung mga pagtataniman. So, hindi na magpaawat guys, si Mr. sa kanyang pagdudungkal sa labas, magka-garden. Ilalabas natin ang ating mahabang paso. Itong batang to, ayaw mag-strip. At na to. Walang pants, oh. Labas yung legs mo. Mabaras kasi dito sa loob ng bahay. Hello! Gusto niyang kunin yung camera. Ilalabas ko yung ating pots. So, sunny. See, oh, it's just right here. The size ng pots. So, sakto lang yung size niya, guys. Dito. Tingnan niyo yung ating tulips. So, yan yung tinanim natin, guys, na tulips last year. Ang ganda niya na, oh, nataas na. Itong kabila, matataas na, eh. So, ayan. Ito, matataas na to sila. Pero yung iba, late nag-sprout pag iwanan. Sabi ko kay Mr. ba't nga itong arrangement nitong isang pot na to? Para magkakadikit yung bulb. Siguro pag tambak niya ng lupa, kadikit-dikit. So, binili namin sa Aldi to. Parang 3 pound ang isang pot. Sabi ko kay Mr. bumili ng 3. Kasi yung binili niyang Fortune na seeds, dito ko yun itatanim. Sabi ko, dahil itong ginawa niyang sa gilid ng fence, dinungkal niya. Gusto kong taniman ng mga okra, sitaw, alam niyo yun. Gusto ko yung gulay. Kasi yun ay hindi mahanap dito kaya. Wala silang ganun dito. Hello? Michaela, where are you? Natawag ang ating baby sa loob, guys. You don't want to sleep. That's why I put you down. Ayaw matulog. So, dyan yan, guys, daw. Kung maganda. And then, there. When you have some flowers on it, doesn't matter where the pots are. They're good when they have flowers. Put some garden soil here na. Garden soil. That's garden soil. Is it?
This is not that.
We can mix actually, so they're nice. It's so warm today. How many degrees today? So wet. Sometimes they have slugs. Just right, oh. You spoil. There's a soil outside, oh. Outside the pot. On the floor. They're so wet, isn't it?
Like mixing noodles.
Poop. Carabao. So, ito yung ating isang daisy, guys. So, ayan. Ang dami niya na ulit. Dahon, di ba? Pero medyo payat siya. Kailangan nating i-fertilize ng kaunti. Para mas lumago pa siya. But anyway, maganda na yan siya. Kala ko mamamatay yan. Buti na lang hindi siya namatay. Kasi sayang, oh. 2 pound din yan. Mahal din. Diba? Yeah. Hello, little one. We're going out. She's so comfy and content. Tayo sa park, guys. It's nice. Oh, look at those trees. Hoy, are you okay? It's nice and sunny. It's nice on the sun. It's warm. Another dog. Hello. Busy. Ah, you're so cute. Hello. Oh. Hello. Hello, hello. You enjoy it? Hello, Michaela. You like it? Nice? Yes. Sarap maglaro dito, guys. Oh, ang cute. It's nice. Tapos na tayo, guys. Mukha namang nag-enjoy ang ating baby. Pag talaga spring na dito sa UK is marami talagang mga flowers na nagsisibulan. Ang ganda lang nila, oh. Ang lamig dito, guys. Kasi nga kahit may sikat ng araw, pag nasa lilim, ang lamig talaga. Tapos samahan mo pa ng lakas ng hangin. Mahangin dito. Sa bahay naman hindi.
I think we'll follow that round the corner.
Kayla, where?
Oh, grass.
Kayla! Are you enjoying? It's getting cold na, mister.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
You okay? Get a wood?
I think this pup.
If you're gonna get a dog, what type of dog do you want?
Me?
Yeah. Golden?
I don't know.
She okay? She's watching. It's nice because she can hear the bird sound. Let's have a look. What do they have there? Just a water. Tubig lang ata. It's nothing. Ah, may duck. Wala tayong ducks dito, guys. Yung sa kabila, iisa. Nakatulog na ang bata. So here, not much. Unlike the first park that we went to, Warden Park, there's so many ducks there. The first park that we went,
Warden Park.
we're going, and someone is asleep. Thank you. You go first. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You going?
You don't like noise to get it make noise.
Yeah. The dog looks scared. Thank you. Yeah, you're on the the swing earlier. I think she's still asleep. Parang na-amaze siya kanina. Ang dami niya ang batang nakikita. Yes. Say hi, ikaw. Hi, guys. I still hate you. As I said,
You can't see it, but the video is recording.
it's fine. Marriage is not always Christmas, you know.
No.
What I've said is true. Whatever I said to you.
I need to put you down.
I forgot how it tastes like.
Yeah, I thought you might.
I just got the mushroom and then I decided to have a beef.
You need to get the mushroom and the beef together, yeah.
Buksan natin to guys. In order ni Mr. na aking tea sa Amazon. Wala ka. Ay, oo nga. Wala kasi makita sa doon. Sainsbury's tsaka sa Morrison. Tatli pa lang nga yung tea ko. Akala ko, tayo po to.